Okay, so let's assume this is one of the models in our process that might go down the line. Now, there might be several different models going down the line, each with different options and combinations and so forth, right? So what you have here, remember, under the assign options, we've actually got the percentage of each of the different options that you see here going down the line. And what happens is, when this is pulled into a multi-model line balance, I'll show you this in a second here. So let's open this example here. And let's go here. And here we have a multi-model line balance, right? Now these balances can each have their own groupings and options in them, obviously, each with their own percentages. And not only that, if we look at the details of this one, if we look at configure model, each of these models here has a certain percentage. So in this case, the Pinto, which is the red one, is 13% of the production, the Rolls Royce is 22, the Model T is 38, and the Bentley is 27. So of course there's a percentage of these going down the line here, and within each one of them there's different options that have different percentages. Now what you can do then, you can come down here and you hit the right button on the one of the tasks at the bottom, any one at all, and you do the models and you ask for the weighted average. Give it a couple of seconds, and it's taking into account the mix of the models, the mix of the options to produce these average times that you see here. You see the averages that come in here. That takes into account, again, the percentages of the model, the different model mix going down the line, as well as the options that may appear on those different models. This is the number you're really after. This is probably the number your planning department might use for planning purposes. But of course, when it comes to making the units, the guy in the line has to know he's going to have a problem when a certain model option comes down the line. He might have to put additional resources onto the line to manage it, to get it through. I may have to move resources from one station to another and so forth, but Timer Pro can help you with all that also.